Gears now with UW-Eau Claire commencement tomorrow. There are going to be a lot of blue golds entering the workforce.
But the graduates of the nursing program in particular have dealt with some pretty unprecedented challenges. Adam Reed reports.
The UW-EC 2022 nursing class is preparing to get pinned, graduate, and head out into the workforce. But the medical profession isn't the same one they originally signed up for.
We do a lot of supporting and kind of training for the clinical setting, which changed. And so thinking about how we can increase the amount of students that are using the lab but doing so in a safe way has been a fun challenge.
The pandemic changed the way a lot of healthcare professionals do their job, which meant big changes for the way these future nurses had to learn. The foundation for their hands-on skills is formed here in the simulation lab, where their learning from lectures and textbooks is put to the test.
It has been a little bit stressful at times because those are your real-world situations that you walk in and you have to assess your patient, which our patients are mannequins in here.
The pandemic caused this particular class of future nurses to train more hands-off than ever before. In the lab, they can simulate death, birth, and a broad spectrum of wound treatment and other procedures. Students were able to rotate into the lab in small groups and stream their work to their classmates, making this group trailblazers in nursing education.
It will probably be a lifelong change to nursing education, is that value of simulation and how we can use simulation to really prepare our students for wherever they end up.
Many have already been working as CNAs or in other frontline roles.
I think that people can have confidence knowing, yes, we did do our schooling online, but we were also there when it was at its worst.
As healthcare providers all over the country continue to deal with staffing shortages, it's clear the need is great. Now, they'll be called on to take what they've simulated here and apply it in the real world.
It's called us to just take action and jump right in when we were called to do so.
Well, between the UW-Eau Claire campus and the Marshfield Clinic nursing site, a total of 69 nurses are expected to graduate this weekend.